Today we're gonna working on Leetcode question number 64, minimum path sum. We have been given an m cross n grid filled with non-negative numbers. Find a path from the top left to bottom right, which minimizes the sum of all numbers along its path. You can only move either down or right at any point in time. So in this case, 13111 is the minimum, which sums to 7, is the minimum sum in order to get from top left to bottom right. So pretty straightforward. The way we're gonna be doing it is like, if it is the first row, we are gonna be basically adding it to the previous one and keep accumulating the sum. And if it is the first column, we're gonna do the same. Otherwise, we wanna take the minimum between the one above it and one to the left. That's pretty much the logic behind the solution. So m is equal to the number of columns, n is the number of rows. We're gonna iterate from I equals to 1 to I is less than n. So basically what it means is, what does it mean? So we are actually going through the first column here. So if it is the first column, then all we have to do is to add the current value to the previous value. And now we are working on the first row. J is gonna go from 1 to j less than m. In the first row, all we have to do here is to accumulate the sum by adding the current value to the previous value. Other than that, if it is not the first row or the first column or the zeroth row or the zeroth column, what we have to do here is we're gonna be uh, adding the current value of that box and the minimum between above and the value on the left. That's the math dot minimum. The one value to the on the top, and the one value on the left side. And in the end, we're gonna be returning the n minus 1 m minus 1 value. Let's run it. This worked.